good morning. It's Saturday. We are going to soccer. Magsasakay ngayon ang aking alaga. Ihahatid ko siya. At sa mga bago pa po guys, don't forget to subscribe at sabudang. And please, click the bell to notify po sa mga bago ko pong i-upload na video. See you guys! Nandito na kami sa tawiran. Push. Ayan. Antay kami na go. Wait. Don't wait for me. Ayan. Tatawid na kami. See, ang ganda rito guys. Oh. Slowly, slowly. Later you slide, okay? It's raining, you still can play, but later on you got sick. You have... Lalakad kami hanggang doon sa sakayan ng bus. Ang ganda dito guys, oh, green na green. Doon kami banda nakatira guys, yan, dyan ang aming tinitirhan. Ito po ang sakayan ng MRT at sakayan ng bus, nilalakad lang. Medyo malayo pero exercise. Oh, you just be careful when you are walking because later on you're always sliding the. Yan, lakad-lakad. Why are you scratching the floor? Sorry. Excuse me guys.
Sorry guys.
Dumaan ka na. Excuse me guys.
Mr. Guys.
Look at your way later. You like then like. Ayan, nandito na kami sa taas. Bababa kami hanggang sa kaya ng bus. Nandito ang sa kaya ng bus. Lalakad kami dito, pababa hanggang sa sakayan ng bus. Be careful ah. Magabang kami dyan ng bus. What's happened? Ang sakayan ang bus stop, sakayan ng bus, ayun na guys, hindi na kami mag-aabang sa bus stop. Go sit down. We are going to wait bus number 61. Card.
One, two, three, four, five. Wala ko.
Wait. You wait the bus stop. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go. Ayan na yung soccer field. Antayin pa namin, sineset up pa nila. Lalaro muna sila sa playground. Ayan, iba niyang kalaro. Mga kano. Okay, we are here already. Bring your water bottle there. Then you wait until here, under the tree there. Okay?
No.
Why? Close where? I go over there? Andito na kami sa soccer. Here. No, later I go market. Andito na kami sa soccer field. Ayan, nagpe-prepare na yung mga coach. Hey, later my shoes also wet. You go? Later I go first in the market, okay? I send you there first, then later I will go. Where? There? Okay, wait me. I wait you here. Remember to bring always your water. Bye-bye. You going where? Ayan guys, andito na kami sa soccer field. Ayan, kahit na umuulan. Ayan, maulan po. Medyo maambon. Basta na din ang sapatos ko. Ay, pupunta kami doon para kung ano nila. Hello. Ang layo. Ayan, ang lawak dito guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan guys, naglalaro na ang aking alaga ng soccer. Something playing soccer. play soccer. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Pauwi na kami. Nandito na kami sa bus.
Hey. Hello, I'm
Kain na kami ng lunch.
Now we get ahead.
Ayan guys, tapos na ang soccer. It's eating time. Nahanap kami ng kainan. Lakad-lakad na naman. Magdalawang kamay ko. Dustbin over there.
Found it.
You found it. Throw the rubbish. You wait. Ayan, nahanap kami ng kainan. Doon kami kakain sa taas. Ayan, market dito. Doon kami kakain sa Sisi. Guys, dito kami kakain sa Sisi. Sa Old Chunky. Ayan, kakain kami ng laksa. At macaroni. Salamat guys! Ayan na. Ayan, dito kami kakain sa Old Chunky. Ayan. Nauna na yung alaga ko. Ayan, dito kami kakain. The chair is so high here. You want to eat there, over there? Go there. Go over there. Kakain kami guys. Ito, dito kami sa Old Chunky. Ayan. Ayan, nakakain na namin. Kain ako ng macaroni at laksa. Itong alaga ko. Ayan ang mga pagkain dito guys, oh. Ayan. Tawag sa atin empanada dito, curry pop. Ayan, may fishball din sila. May hotdog. Ayan, may chicken. What you want? Laksa? One laksa and one macaroni. No, eat here. Macaroni and cheese, ha? Waiting kami sa aming pagkain. What number? Last time.
8 is 21.
Na guys, kakain na kami. This is laksa and this is macaroni cheese. Ayan. Ayan, macaroni cheese and laksa. Kain tayo guys. Ayan guys, kakain na kami. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is Elsa Budang. Please click the bell to notify po sa aking mga bagong i-upload na video guys. Salamat. Thank you guys sa inyong panonood. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.